Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Anila Qadri. This video will cover basic topic of psychology. We are going to find out the answer of question what do you understand by psychology? What is the nature of psychology? And what is the application of psychology with special reference to Pakistan? So let's start. Psychology is the scientific study of mind and behavior. It encompasses various aspects of human experiences, including thoughts, emotions, actions, and interactions with the environment. The field of psychology aims to understand individuals and groups through systematic observation, experimentation, and analysis. What is nature of psychology? Here you can see the very first point, scientific discipline. Psychology relies on empirical evidence using systematic observation, research, and experimentation to understand mental processes and behavior. Interdisciplinary. It intersects with fields like biology, sociology, philosophy, and education. Dynamic and evolving. Psychology adopts and evolves with new research, theories, and societal changes. Practical and applied. Beyond theoretical understanding, psychology has a strong practical orientation in addressing real-world problems. Universal yet cultural. While psychological principles apply universally, cultural and societal factors significantly influence its practices and applications. Now coming towards applications of psychology. Psychology is applied in various domains to solve practical problems and improve quality of life. Number 1. You can see here clinical psychology, diagnosing and treating mental health issues like depression, anxiety, and PTSD. Educational psychology, enhancing teaching methods, learning processes, and addressing learning disabilities. Industrial organizational psychology, improving workplace productivity, employee satisfaction, and organizational behavior. Health psychology, promoting healthy lifestyles, managing chronic diseases, and addressing psychological aspects of physical health. Counseling psychology, helping individuals cope with life challenges such as relationships, career issues, and personal growth. Developmental psychology, studying human development across the lifespan to support parenting, education, and elderly care. Forensic psychology, applying psychological principles in legal and criminal justice settings. Sports psychology, enhancing athletic performance and motivation. Psychology in Pakistan. In Pakistan, the field of psychology has gained recognition and importance in addressing societal changes. However, its development is influenced by cultural, religious, and socio-economic factors. Nature of psychology in Pakistan. Number 1. Cultural sensitivity. Psychological practices must align with cultural norms, traditions, and values. Community oriented. Focus on collective well-being rather than individualistic approach common in Western psychology. Faith integration. Islamic perspectives often play a role in understanding mental health and behavior. Applications of psychology in Pakistan. Mental health awareness. Increasing recognition of mental health issues like depression, anxiety, and substance abuse. Initiatives to reduce stigma around seeking psychological help. Educational development. Addressing learning disabilities and improving teaching methodologies in schools. Promoting mental well-being among students through counseling services. Workplace productivity. Enhancing employee performance and addressing workplace stress. Training and development programs for leadership and teamwork. Next one. Forensic psychology. Supporting law enforcement agencies in criminal profiling and interrogation, or you can say interrogation. Addressing issues of domestic violence and child abuse. Community counseling. Providing trauma counseling in areas affected by natural disasters, terrorism, or conflict. Offering family counseling to address issues like marital discord and parenting challenges. Rehabilitation programs. Assisting in the rehabilitation of drug addicts and individuals with disabilities. Promoting vocational training and life skills development. Research and development. Conducting studies on social issues such as gender inequality, poverty, and mental health disparities. Developing indigenous psychological tools and methods tailored to Pakistan's socio-cultural context. Now we are coming to world challenges in Pakistan. Alright, very important. Number 1 challenge that Pakistan always have to face about psychology: stigma. Mental health remains a taboo, discouraging people from seeking help. Lack of resources. Shortage of trained psychologists, especially in rural areas. Education and training. Need for improved academic programs and research opportunities. Policy and funding. Limited government initiatives to support mental health services. Psychology in Pakistan has immense potential to contribute to individual and societal well-being by addressing cultural sensitivities, increasing awareness, and overcoming existing challenges. Psychology can play a crucial role in improving mental health, education, and overall quality of life in the country. So guys, this is all about today's lesson. I hope this is informative for all of you. For my next video, do not forget to subscribe my channel Learning with Anila Qadri and press the bell icon. Thank you.